Okay, now we are going to discuss about the income from profession. Okay, last class we discussed income from business. Okay, so what are the business income we have to receive? Suppose if you are going to start any business or any startup, at that time you have to receive some of the expenses and also you are receiving the income. So that main income from business we have to concentrate on the two important concepts. What are the two important concepts? Two main expenses. Okay, one is disallowed expenses and another one is allowed expenses. Okay, so disallowed expenses, that expenses incurred only for the personal usage. Okay, that is a proprietor's fund. Okay, allowed expenses, what is called allowed expenses? That expenses incurred only for the business. Okay, just the allowed expenses only incurred for the business purpose. Okay, so that only we discussed in last class. So today we are going to discuss about the income from profession. Okay, can anyone tell what is called profession? Sarana. Profession.
Profession means, for example, a lawyer or a teacher or a doctor or a policeman. One who serve for the people, they are all comes under profession.
Profession is nothing but it is a kind of a job. They are going to create some new activity or improve in the particular category. Okay, that is the profession. Example, teaching profession, doctors, lawyers. Okay, so these are all coming under the professional category. Okay, so that professional also they are going to earn some amount. Okay, so that amount only we have to calculate based upon their income received. Okay, so as a profession, say for example we are taking the doctors or lawyers. Okay, so they are going to receive the amount as an income based on their client. Okay, client guidance. Okay, so the client guidance is nothing but what are the person they are going to get the some services rendered by the professional. Okay, so that person they might be giving some consultancy. Okay, or they are giving some guidance or providing some ideas how they are going to reach the particular point. Okay, that is the consultation. Okay, so under this income from profession we are going to find out the two important main points. Okay, first one is professional receipt. Okay, and second one is professional expenses. Okay, so the simple format that how we are going to find out the income from profession. Can you tell the formula for profession? What is the profession format? Income from profession. That I am asking the formula. Professional receipt minus professional expenses. Okay, so the receipt minus expense. What are the income you receive as a profession? They are receiving some income. So after that income, you are incurred some expenses for your professional category. The remaining amount that is called the net professional income. Okay, so under the professional receipt we are having some list of items are there. Can you tell the list? First one, fees. So what is called fees? Is nothing but the consulting amount received from the client. Okay, that is called the fees. Then second, operational fees. It is applicable for doctors. Example, can you tell the example? Suppose if you are going to check for your organs at the time, if you are going to make any surgery, at the time as a doctor they are receiving the amount. Okay, that amount is called the operational fees. Okay, then third, institute fee. Okay, it is applicable for whom? Accountant. That is, suppose if you are going to get any training from the chartered accountant or auditor. At that time, they are supposed to pay the fees to the particular CR auditors. Okay, that is called the institute fee. Okay, the next legal fees. Okay, so legal or practitioner fees. It is applicable for lawyers. Okay, so lawyers, suppose if you are going to get any consultation for your any problem arise, either the personal or anything. Okay, so at that time they have to give the some guidance, or legally they are giving some advice. Okay, so based on that we have to collecting some amount. That amount is called the legal fees or practitioner fees. Okay.